Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Zain Cruz. Make sure to like and subscribe. So yun po guys, kakatapos lang po namin mag-breakfast sa Quatogs in Lipa, Batangas. And we're on our way po to Solano Hotel para sa aming fashion show. Po guys, andito na po kami sa venue namin here at Solano Hotel for the fashion show.
More. Other pose. Yeah. Gina. Okay po, bago. Sampa. Ayan.
So guys, update. Tapos na po kami mag-pictures and wini-wait na lang po namin na start ng event.
Kamay. Bro, sorry. Sorry. Kita.
Ibang po, screen lang po natin para i-boy po.
Hello guys! So, kakatapos lang po na. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!